Hey girl, I'm obsessed. This is like a salon manicure in a box, and it looks like you went to the salon, but you do these at home and it's so much cheaper. They look so good. These are more advanced than your average press-on nails, and they have a beautiful French tip. This is the BTARTBOX 3-in-1 soft gel system. They come in different colors for different skin tones and a range of lengths and shapes. And that makes me so happy because this brand has applied such a depth of focus to creating different variations on the French manicure. Everyone can find a perfect match for their skin shade and the style and length that they like. This manicure really won't look like a press-on manicure because the kit is a little bit different. They call it a soft gel system, and you get everything you need in the box, including over 150 pieces for your nails, so you have so many manicures that you can do with this one kit, and that saves a lot of money, which I like. You know how with a press-on manicure, you're usually using very runny glue? Well, this one brushes on, and it only dries when the UV light goes over it. They also sell like this squeezy tube of the glue, so whether you like brushing it on or squeezing it out and pressing the nail over top, it's super easy and a lot of fun to do actually. Okay, let's put these on. First, I'm gonna file my nail lightly just to rough it up a little bit, and then wipe it down with rubbing alcohol and brush on the glue. It's super easy. And then you press the nail, get it where you want it, and then hold it down with the light over top. That's what adheres the nail to your own, giving you this perfect little manicure, and you're done. Actually, there's 2 more steps. First, we take the brush-on glue that we use to adhere the nail, and we put it over top to reinforce and add some structure. Let it set and cure in the LED, and then add a top coat, which will add structure and gloss. Now your manicure is perfect. Check out BTR Nails. I'll leave a link below. Thank you so much for watching.